Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can create a cross zoom transition between your clips in Adobe Premiere. So let's go. First, what you want to do is click on the effect and right there zoom. When you're gonna take it, you will see here cross zoom. Take it and paste it on your video. Double click on it or just click on it and you will see here that you can make it much larger, because if you would try to make it here, you need to zoom it in and it's really hard to do that. So just click here. Let's make it longer. And as you can see, it's adjusted in our timeline. Let's see it again. But what was wrong there, as you could see, we saw a little bit of pixelation, ladies and gentlemen. So what we want to do is we want to make it blurry a little bit, right? Let's go like this. Let's make it also. This is going to be good cross zoom transition. And now what we are going to do, we need to go to project, right click, new item, and choose adjustment layer. Yes, okay. Take the adjustment layer and paste it on your timeline and have it is like exactly as your cross zoom effect. Now what you want to do is to click on the adjustment layer. No. We can't do that right away. We need to go first to the effects. Let's go to the effects and right there blur. And you also see it here, Gaussian blur. I don't even know how to read that. Take it and paste it on your adjustment layer. And what you want to do, you will see it here, Gaussian blur, blurriness. Choose a clock here, the toggle animation. And now it created ourselves a first keyframe. So what we want to do now is to go like this, all right, and this will be end keyframe. Let's try it right away like this, and like that, and change the horizontal, the blurriness like to this, and we will see how it goes. All right, how it looks like, I don't know. Super cool. What you can also try to do is to have really good blurriness here, and that on the end of the video the blurriness will go back to 0. But I don't think it's going to be pretty, but let's try. Yep, it's alright, but let's stop it like here and let's play it again. Oh, it was lagging a little bit. I think the first option is much better, to have the blurriness completely on 100% and go all the way. And this is, here is the end. Like this, look. I think this is the best way. Yeah, it's lagging a little bit, but you get an idea. So, yep, this is how you make the zoom out, zoom in transition in Adobe Premiere. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. And yep, thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.